talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Dragon City app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. You come to apps list here. So in here you're looking for Dragon City app, or just click on search. Then here add Dragon City, sorry, add here Dragon City here. It's going to show for you like this. You click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.